So I have noticed a new form of hate of how you can tell someone is a little jealous about what you're doing or intimidated or feel like I, I don't need to be around him. I think he thinks a little too deep or uh, he'll hurt my feelings because of how he grind. Man, I thought we was grown man. You know what I mean? The last time I checked, they said iron sharpens iron, and a friend is closer than a brother. So I would think, you know what I mean, we sharpen one another. I know I might don't think like you, but I might can encourage you to do better. But I get it though. If you get someone around you like me, a go getter, a grinder, someone who don't take no for an answer, someone who don't like setting limitations on their lives, and someone who think that they can do anything because they can do anything. I get it. How being around me may be a little intimidating, but I swear I'm humble. I'm not trying to step on your toes. If I can give you some game, some knowledge, I'm willing to give it to you. You know what I mean? But don't act all funny. Hey man, here go my number, man. Call me sometime. I reach out to you 2, 3 times just saying what's up. You never respond. But when I see you again, you're like, oh yeah, man, I had this going on, man. I forgot to hit you back. But I get it though. I understand. It's fine. We ain't got to explain nothing. I mean, cause I get it. You know, people who are conscious, especially black men who are conscious, other black men are intimidated by us. Like we're gonna step on their toes or we feel like we better than them or whatever the situation is. That shit is not true. So rebuke the devil. And if you got someone around you that want to give you some game, get it. Don't get intimidated. Hog on.